This is Prayag Ghat. I think it's part of the Saswamedh Ghat, seen from a boat. See, after the sunrise, I took a boat ride on the river Ganga. You have Pandits also here, and people take holy dip here also. My boatman was really a very old person. With difficulty he could row the boat. I was the only passenger on the boat. This is another ghat here. It is constructed in the olden days by some Maharaja. This is another ghat. Doesn't have any religious importance here. You can see some washermen washing clothes. We are going back again to the Saswamedh Ghat from here. It is just a round trip from the Saswamedh to Dhobi Ghat and back to the Saswamedh, and from there we went up to Manikarnika Ghat. On the way, I found some birds waiting to be fed by the tourists, I believe. This boatman sells namkeen, food called namkeen in plastic sachets. So tourists buy these sachets and throw the namkeen to the birds. I came to know that these birds are very fond of eating the food. Accidentally, a pouch slipped from my hands into the water, and suddenly all the birds fell on it, and within few seconds they completed the sachet, and again they are ready for another sachet of namkeen. Really, they are very fond of this food. This is Manikarnika Ghat. A man rowing boat. Tourists going on a boat ride like me. I was taking the videos, but he was taking a picture of this man sitting on the steps of a ghat and meditating. You see lots of birds here. We are back to the Saswamedh again. That will be the end of our trip.